I'm going to show you how to make a cone in this video. First things first, I'm going to choose a circle tool and create a circle. Then I'm going to grab the push-pull tool and I'm going to drag that up. Then I'm going to orbit. In fact, I'm going to pan an orbit. So I'm going to pan over, right-click orbit. And so what I'm going to do is use the move tool to move this line in to create a cone shape. So I'll choose the move tool. And as you're looking around the shape, you can see it's highlighting the blue line. I'm not clicked yet, I'm just moving it around. At some point, it stops going blue. So this is blue, it's fine. The moment when you get to one where it's not blue and you click and then drag, it will move the side in. If you do it at any other point, if I just undo that, if I do it when it's blue, it's moving the whole face. So you're looking for when it doesn't go blue, and then drag, and you can pull the cone in. You can do this on either side.